Welcome back, guys, to Project. Still calling it Project Golf at the moment because I haven't come up with a new name. I do quite like the idea of Project Shed. Well, hopefully you've seen the introduction to Project Shed and you've seen all its issues. Look how good the Super looks. I released a video over the weekend which was like the first 5 things I do when I get a car. So I'm going to follow that with this. So step 1 is washing your car. Oh my god, this is going to take forever. So in effort to help me clean my car, I have my compressor line. Hopefully we're going to blow out all this crap. But, you know. It's not really much better, but it has blown out some of the crap. But freaking hell, it doesn't half need a bloody wash. Time to mount the camera and give this shed a wash. Eesh. So I've spent 10 minutes alone on one side of the roof, you know, quite squeaky clean now. But this is the state. I'm hoping you can see it on camera. Can you see like all the black flecks? It's been sat under trees. It really needs a freaking scrubbing off to get it off. As you can see this side, providing the sun don't glare the camera too much. It's shiny, it's clean. That side, not so much. This is going to be a long time to clean this car. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing on. Holy crap, guys. I've been at this now for like an hour. And what have I done? Half the roof. This side, so the windows, the side, can't say on the camera, on the side, the mirror, and this wing, and half the windscreen. I haven't touched the bonnet yet. I gotta have a breather because I'm freaking knackered. I'm gonna have to do this in 2 nights, I think. Now, what causes paint to crack and craze like that? It don't look too bad down here, it feels alright, but then up here, it goes all crazed. Obviously, I don't know if it's paint on top of the original paint, or what it is. Can't be the original paint. Nah, it can't be. Can't be. Freaking hell, I'm knackered. But it's coming up really well, to be honest. You know, the bodywork is actually really good, and I love these flared arches. Love them. Absolutely love them. I want it a bit lower. I don't know if I've shown you the roof already, but you can literally see there's a dent down there. I'm going to see if I can pull out. I haven't touched anything on the back yet. Someone can let me know if I can take these badges off, because that'll tidy it up. But this is actually going to be a multi-day thing. I'm filming this video. It's 8 o'clock at night now. About to get dark. Gonna have to stop soon. I ain't had no tea. So we'll come back for part 2, I think. I've just been looking to answer my previous question. So yes, it's paint on top of paint, because the original colour of this bonnet was blue, as you can see it there, and the original colour of this wing was green, which explains probably why it's crap, because it probably had a bad spray job. Looking at the grille, it was red, so that'd be why the front end's crap. So maybe it's had a front end bump, but nothing's recorded on it, and the panel caps are not too bad all around, except for like, you know, where that dent is. It's a little bit tight against this door here, but that could be down to the wing. But I can sort that out, that's not a problem. I don't even know why I started washing the front end, if I'm honest. Well, what's the point in washing the front end? It's coming off. But you can just see here, right, you can really tell the difference. If I zoom in, hold the camera steady. Look at that. Shiny, clean, reflection. No reflection. Shiny, clean. Not shiny, clean. Crazy. I think we can all agree it's a bit boring watching me wash a car. So I've washed all the back end and that, so it's time to inspect it to see if there's any further damage. So I did think it was a bit silly to wash the bonnet and the wings and the headlights and the grille. Seems the paint's that bad, we're changing them anyway. So I haven't touched the front end, but I have touched everything else that I'm not replacing. So passenger door, we'll work our way up, you know, there's no dents, there's no scratches, there's nothing wrong with the passenger door. Absolutely fine all the way down. Go to the rear quarter. Again, the rear quarter on this side's brilliant, almost immaculate. It's missing the rubber on the top. It's got a little stone chip there. Other than that, there's not a dent or a mark on it. You know, it's really, really, really nice. Leaving the wheels alone at the moment. Excuse the wind. Rear bumper, I'm hoping to change for an R32 anyway, but it's got these weird scuff marks here. Same on both corners. Oh no, just on the one side, so I'm going to have to replace it or buff it, whatever I'm going to do. Hopefully to get an R32 bumper. Boot lid, it's fine all the way across the top, down the sides it's fine. Someone can let me know if these badges can come off, please do, and I'll take them off, or are they pinned. It's not the best wash if I'm honest in the world. That handle inside there is a bit crap, so I might see if I can get another one. There's this little bit of rust here, you can just see it in the middle of the camera. That's all there is wrong with the boot lid. So, oh, and a little fingerprint dent here. So I might see if, you know, if I could just touch that in, or if I can get one that's cheap and immaculate, I might just do that. Excuse the plane. So moving back to this side, this quarter panel, or rear quarter panel, in terms of dents, is absolutely fine. But it's got this weird, crazy scuffing in the paint. Can't feel it either. So I don't know if it's in the lacquer or what. So I'm going to try and give this a buff. More thinking bird poo. There's a scratch down there where a car's caught it with, you know, with this blue paint and some scratches in the actual panel there. So I like to think I can give that a buff, and I'll probably get most of that out. But there's no dents, which is nice. Moving on to the driver's door. Not amazing, you know, but it's certainly livable. There's marks down here on the bottom that's probably going to start rusting. Bits of paint missing, chipping on the actual rub strip. And then there's this weird, again, this crazy ass paint effect happening just here. And it's been touched in with a pen. Where I've got a chip on the rear quarter just there. It's a good chip. I'm going to touch that in. The rest of the door across the top's fine. Down here is fine, and then there's a bit of paint coming off the top of that rub strip again. And it's very close to that wing, but I don't think that wing's on right, because it doesn't seem to match up perfectly with the bonnet. But it's not too bad on there. So there's nothing, although I can actually probably replace the driver's door and the boot lid. There's nothing too terrible there. So normally after doing the outside I would move to the inside of the car and start valeting it. But I've actually obtained myself another interior. A full interior, door cards, the lot. I just noticed a cracked light on this one. So probably, why does the car lock when it's just locked itself even though I'm in the passenger side and the door's open? We'll open that side and hopefully it won't lock now. Bizarre. So there's no point me cleaning the inside, although it smells a bit. You know, there's no point cleaning it at the moment until I manage to like pair up a full interior, and then I'll valet it. Because like I said, I've got door cards, both seats, the back seats, got a new partial shelf as well. It's a bit pointless doing this one at the moment, so I'm going to show you the bits I picked up the other day. So I've already put some in the boot just for a bit of storage. So I've got front door cards there, rear quarter cards, got armrest, got a new grille which is painted silver, decent paint as well. Also underneath there somewhere are the wing mirrors which are painted silver and in good condition. So let's go to the garage and have a look what we've got in there. So the first thing you notice when you walk through the garage door is obviously I have a new bonnet. which is obviously painted silver, so we don't have to paint. I've got the seats under there with the back seats. I have a headliner, the parcel shelf which is not damaged in any way, so I can get rid of the one I've got, and headlights with fog lights in, the bottom lens there. So that's probably it for this video at the moment, because there's no point in me starting to fit an interior on a video where I started cleaning the car. So a little bit of it's just like more like an update video at the moment. So I've started cleaning it. The outside of the car's not too bad, but does need a cut and buff in places. So I may as well do the whole car once I've got the other parts. I've also ordered a R32 front bumper. So we've started something there. That's coming. That's why I haven't got a replacement standard front bumper, because I have an R32 one coming. People are telling me that I need to get it up in the air and have a look in the engine, which I do. So, but do I do the interior first? I don't know. So the next video will either be getting up in the air and probably inspecting the engine, or doing the interior. I kind of want to do both, but not in the same video, because it's too different. I've also noticed that's a headliner. You know, I have a brand new headliner there. Well, not brand new, but there's a little one mark on it, not like mine, which is covered in loads. So I want to get that one out and test dyeing it, and if it works, then I'm going to dye this one before I put it in. So then we'll have a black headliner. But that's where we're at with this video. I cleaned it. We've seen the bodywork. The bodywork's not too bad, not for a car that's 16 years old. When you compare it to 16-year-old, it's not that bad, really, is it? So. I'm going to leave this video here. Please leave a like and a subscribe, and I shall see you in the next project video. I think I've decided on a name for it anyway, so Project Shed, I think. We'll see. You guys seem to like Project Shed. So that's where we're at. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel by pressing the button just up here, and if you want to see another video of mine, press this one just here.